Okay, magic ring. I just went and deleted what we just did. Now the magic ring will be the bane of your existence for a while, and that's okay. I still mess them up all the time. I'll probably mess it up while we try to do this. When I went to do my first Slipknot today, I had to go and redo it because I started accidentally making a magic ring because that's what I've been working on a lot. So we're going to kind of start off the same way we would a Slipknot. We're going to cross it over our fingers. We're going to put our hook through. We're going to loop it over that yarn, the loose hanging yarn. We're going to make it kind of like a slip knot, but we're not going to close it. We're going to use our working yarn. We have the tail and our working yarn. Make sure you use the working yarn. And you're going to pull it through. That's the start of our magic ring. Now, most rings are going to ask you between 6 and 8. So we're going to do a 6. So here's our ring. You want to insert your hook through the ring. You're going to loop your working yarn around it. You're going to pull through just the ring. Then you're going to yarn over again. You should have 2 loops. And you're going to pull through both of those. So it's kind of like making a single crochet, but you're doing it in a ring. So there's 1. Now we're going to put it back through the ring. Yarn over. You'll find easier ways to do this part, but I'm doing it for the sake of clarity. Pull through that ring. Yarn over. Pull through both loops. That's 2. Go through the ring. Yarn over. Twist under the ring. Yarn over. Make sure you're not doing it too tightly. Pull through both loops. What is that, 3? I don't remember. Doesn't matter. I'm not making an actual project, so it's okay if I don't get the right count right now. Go through the ring. Yarn over. Go under the ring. Yarn over. Pull through both. Under the ring. Yarn over. Over the ring. Yarn over. Pull through both. We'll do 1 more. I'm going to try my best to make sure I'm looking very clear. It's okay if it looks a little frumpy right now because we're about to tighten it, okay? So in the ring, yarn over. Go back through the ring. Yarn over. And go through both loops. Now the way I did that was kind of silly, but I'm trying to make sure you see what you're doing, because otherwise I would just go like this. But I want to make sure you're seeing the step, because it's so hard to see in most videos. So now from the side, you can always count how many you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be the test on whether or not you did it right. After you have your first magic ring going, you're going to pull on the tail. And if you're able to pull it, you did it right. So congratulations if you did it right. But that's why what spot you do is so important. Because if you do it wrong, you won't be able to pull this. And then you'll just need to start your magic ring over. And be prepared to start it over. Because I had to do so many of these before I got it right. But when you're done tightening it, it should be a little ball. Just like that. And we will find something to make to go in around like that. If you're just starting out, make sure you mark where your first chain was, because it can be really difficult finding where you start once you're in your magic ring. As you can see, it all just looks like a bunch of mess. A lot of times you're going to do a slip stitch to join something. And if you see a slip stitch, it'll be abbreviated SLST. You just put your hook through the ring. Yarn over. yarn over, and then you pull it through one, pull it through both, and that's just to join and to make sure that you have an even ground. So if that's one of the first things you see, that's all you need to do. That'll do it for today's video. I hope you've been able to learn something, or just thank you for watching and boosting me. I appreciate it. Please do tell me if there's any stitches that you specifically want to learn, anything that you're aiming to learn immediately. Otherwise, I'll just try to plan out the next couple stitches to teach. Just let me know in the comments. Thank you guys, and I'll see you later.